Singh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Highlander Affiliate. So let me introduce myself. So by profession we're doing affiliate marketing and earning 5 to 10k per month. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, there will be a link in my description. You can check over there, and there will be also so many other links you can check and make your free accounts. There will be system.io and Namecheap as well. So there's so many links you must check out. If you like this, if you like this my video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. So let's dive into the video. I'm not going to take a long in here. So recently I posted a video about a link tree, how you can make a link tree account and how you can create so many links into one link. So this is going to be very amazing, and guys, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to come on the Google and just search beacon.ai. So first, so you will click the first link over here and you just go inside and you will see something like this. So you don't have to go here and there, so I'm going to make it easy for you. So your link will be look like this. So you can see over here there is a mobile phone. So what you all have to do, you just have to come on the sign up. Okay, so what, okay, let me just log out. So this is already I have logged in. So let me go on the sign up page. So what you will see, here like something like this: claim your username. So suppose your name is money, like, okay, so your name is money, you will just write money. Okay, so money is not available. What you have to do, you just have to put some numbers. Okay, you can put double triple eight. Okay, so it is available. You just go on continue. Okay, then fill up your name, fill up your email and setup and password, then continue with email, and you will receive a email, and you just have to verify that. And once you verify, you will have a page something like this. Let me just sign in. Okay, so let me sign in and I will show you what you have to do inside here. So first of all, you will see a blank page over here on the right hand side. You will see like a white and nothing over here. So this is very easy. So you don't have to come over here, you just focus on this part in the middle one. So you will see header. Okay, once you click on header, you will be able to upload your image. You upload your image over here, and you can change the thing for your picture, profile picture, and the boundary will be like this, and one boundary will be circle. It's all up to you. Or this is the text color. You can change the text over here. See how the text is changing. I will leave it black because this is my personal one, so I am using at the moment. So this will be your name. Okay, so this will be what you are proposing to your audience, what are you offering. Okay, so like we are doing affiliate marketing and earning 5 to 10k per month. So what this is what we offering, and doing mentorship as well. Okay, so in the location you will fill your location. We are in Australia. All right, so you can change here as well. It will look like this, and I will prefer this one, and you can make your photo look bigger. Okay, I will leave 100. So under there you will see your social icons. So you will also see this one, email one. So this will be something like turned on. So this under part, so you have to remove it from here. Okay, make sure you remove this one, and so it doesn't look ugly. So you want to make it look nice. Okay, so if you see this one about, you can turn this on. Okay, turn off also. So the next part is links. Very easy, just open it. Okay, add a new link. So like here is your free book. Okay, and what you have to do, you just have to, whatever link you have, whatever product link you have. Okay, let me go eBay. Okay, I go on eBay, I open eBay. All right, so I will just copy the link. Okay, I will paste it here. All right, let me change this description: eBay eBay product. Okay, that's it. So you see here, it's already here. This is too fast, so let me just delete it. So that's all you have to do here. So you can put this link. So that's your link over here. You can see your link over here, beacons.ai, Navjot Mali. So I will click on this, and you will have something like this. See guys, so this is so easy. And let me show you some more features quickly in 5 minutes. I will just delete this one. Okay, once you click on, okay, so after you done with the links, all the links, so you just come over here, design, and look over here. You have design, so as well, so you can change the designs, any design you like, and you will have more underneath. Okay, so if you don't like the design, don't worry, I got you. Okay, you come down, you click on colors. You can choose the color as well, like which color you want. And you can also choose the videos. Okay, suppose I like this video, it will be moving in couple of minutes. Okay, see, let me choose the fire. See, see how it looks like. So that's all you have to do. Okay, let me get my favorite one back. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, that's all you have to do. If you want to do something extra, you can do it. You can check your traffic. See, my traffic is like 31 at the moment. Other Instagram, someone, so this is the clicks, like people clicking on my links, what I have put my links over here. So people are clicking on my links. So you just go back, and you will see header, and you will come down. So this is where you have to put your all the links, these little ones. All right, so thank you for this video. And if you like this video, make sure you like this and hit the bell button, and make sure you check all the links if you need any link from my description. And I have a Canva link as well, 30-day free trial, you can check that one as well. So if you don't know what Canva is, I can show you just now. So this is Canva, that's how it looks like. Okay, so you can do anything over here. You can make your own contents, like I have made so many contents, as you can see. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.